Two little dickie-birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Can you see them?
Stand back.
I'll catch them. Come back, Peter.
Stand back, Paul.
Come back, Paul. And they came back.
Again. My back. Mine.
Two little dickie-birds.
No, mine.
No, you watch. Two little dickie-birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter.
She's checking back.
And fly away, Paul.
Came back, Peter.
I'll call them back. You watch, I'll call them back. Go. Come back, Peter.
You're in there.
And come back, Paul. Oh, they came back. What do you think?
them away straight away. Do them away.
Go them both together. Fly away, Peter and Paul. Oh, they went.
Do like this.
Come back, Peter. And come back, Paul.
Do like this.
She's trying to work it out.
Fly away, Peter and Paul. Oh, they're gone.
Do it again. You're magic.
And come back, Peter. Oh, and come back, Paul.
Do it with my finger.
Hang on. You come over here a bit closer. I'll go.
Jump up.
Two little dickie-birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. They're up behind your ear. Did they fly up there? Hang on, I'll get them back. Come back, Peter. Oh, come back, Paul. They came back. No more. They're gone to bed.
No, Mama.